Hello guys and welcome back to another crypto update. So let's dive in right now to Bitcoin chart. As yesterday explained, I was expecting a break to the downside from this symmetrical triangle since it is a continuation pattern, and of course we are in a very strong bearish momentum. Right now on the 1 hourly chart, we can clearly see that there was no crazy volume coming in while break, so it wouldn't be wise even with a 4-hour close to jump into a short right now. In fact, I expect some kind of pullback to the upside here, retesting this break, and if when it gets rejected again by the 4-hour EMA ribbon, let me use like this. If we get rejected again after we get the pullback, I would increase again my short position and lower the stop loss around here about 31,800 or 31,900 to have that same risk amount, but as you can see the reward would be a little bit better, 2.34 from 1.86, something like that was. Let me get back here like that. Okay, so I expect still with this break downward momentum, but for the immediate short term, for the coming hours, I think we could see a little bit of pullback and we get rejected again to reach about 26, 27 or our target at 25,700. At that moment, we could clearly see that that target about 25 to 26 would reach this yellow line and the white line channel. If we zoom to the weekly, we can see that it is a convergence of trend lines, which I think could be our bottom for this bearish momentum. Of course, I'm not saying that we're gonna bounce straight into a bull run. We have to see and consolidate, I think, like last year, sliding slowly between this green channel and the yellow line until we get the strength needed to both break the RSI pattern, which is this falling wedge, and also this white channel to actually start our bull run. Okay, our bull run for me would start exactly at those two breaking points. So that's it guys for today. Quick update. See you next time tomorrow.